Hello students, today we are going to do this question based on photoperiodism. I am Dr. Aparna Tripathi, NEET Faculty Biology from KOTA, Rajasthan, and our question is, given figure shows the effect of interruption of scotoperiod. Scotoperiod is dark period in a short day plant by light of different types. So what is asked here? It is asked that here you can see a diagram is given. Different types of conditions are given here. So many conditions are given here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Where different types of light is being exposed to the given plant. Okay. And plant is of short day plant. Plant is the type of plant is short day plant. In its scotoperiod, which is called as dark period, in that dark period the flash of light is being exposed to the plant and the results are being asked. Some of the results you can see here, some of the results are given here, but some are asked here, so we have to answer those results for the particular conditions which are given here. So you can see in condition 1, the SDP or short day plant is in normal condition, so flowering is done. In second condition, the dark period or scotoperiod is being flashed with white light, so what will happen, it is asked. Then in third condition, the scotoperiod is being exposed with red light, no flowering is occurring here. In fourth condition, the scotoperiod is interrupted with far red light. What will be the result? We have to give the result here. In the fifth condition, the scotoperiod is being interrupted with at first red light and then far red light. Then flowering is occurring. In the sixth condition, the scotoperiod is interrupted 3 times. In the first at the first time with red light, then far red, then again red light, and results are being asked. So we have to solve this question. Let's focus the students. Let's do it. So first of all, we have to know about the type of plant. So the type of plant is SDP, means short day plant. Now what are short day plants? Short day plants are those plants which requires a continuous extended critical dark period for their flowering. These plants are also called as long night plants, LNP. So long night plants or short day plants are the same plants. And what is the definition of these plants? The definition is they require a continuous extended critical dark period. Now what is critical dark period? That is a optimum amount of dark period. Okay, so critical dark period is also called as CDP, critical dark period for flowering. So this condition is required in short day plants or long night plants for flowering. But some exceptions are there, like in case if even a single flash of light is exposed before the CDP, means before critical dark period, the dark period, scotoperiod is being interrupted. Okay, so then what happens? Then flowering does not occur. The flowering does not occur. Okay, so we have to see some special conditions regarding some different types of light. What is the effect of those light wavelengths on this scotoperiod? Okay, so here I am going to write about them. Different light wavelengths show different results. show different results. That is red light, no flowering means if the photoperiod is being disturbed with red light or interrupted with red light, the result will be no flowering. In case of far red light, there will be flowering. So we can see flowering in case of far red light. If the photoperiod is interrupted with white light, then again flowering does not occur. So no flowering. What happens when a combination of light is used? If at first red light is given and then far red light is given, then the conclusion or the result is in flowering. Okay. Then again a combination of at first red light, then far red light, then again red light is given to the plant, no flowering takes place. So here you can see that by giving different types of lights or by interrupting the photoperiod with different light wavelengths of different color, the effect is on flowering. So in some cases flowering is taking place and in the other cases flowering is not taking place. So now on this basis we will answer this question. So we can see here in condition 2 the question is asked that when white light is exposed to the given to the plant, then what happens? No flowering. In the second condition, when far red light is given to the plant, then flowering can take place. In sixth condition or in third question, when a combination of red, far red and red light is given, then no flowering is taking place. So here we have answered this question. Now we have to choose the correct option here. So students, you can see in the A option, first flowering is being taking place, flowering, no flowering. So it is not matching with our answer. So it is wrong. In B option, no flowering, then no flowering, then it is also not matching with our answer. So this will also be wrong. In the third option, we can see no flowering, flowering and no flowering. So this answer is matching with our answer. So this can be a correct answer. But before choosing the correct option, we have to see the last option also, that is flowering, no flowering and no flowering. So it is also not matching with our answer. So in this condition, the correct answer is the third option, that is C option, which is matching with our answer. Okay children, bye.